What's up with the M-R slide? So today we're gonna do the video. Today we're gonna do a what? Pause challenge. So let's get it started. We're gonna do the pause challenge. See, I got the remote. This old remote. Pause. Unpause. Pause. Unpause.
I'm gonna do it for you.
No, I got it. It's on me. Unpause. They bad. Pause. Pause. Unpause.
Kyra, go out there to my truck, get the cigarette.
Pause. Unpause. Pause. Unpause. Pause. For a long time, for hours. Pause. I ain't playing with him. I'm paused.
Can I have a
You on his turn. Pause. Pause.
Tom.
Even though we ain't got a pause button on here, but man, this the old school thing. Coming out 1950s.
Pause. The 12 thing.
Pause. No, you ain't doing the pause, only me.
Cause she the
I'm the video taper, y'all can be the pause people.
pause. Okay, I want the pause.
I'm the camera taper, y'all can
Pause.
pause, Kyra. You out. Pause. Strike a pause.
You can talk and pause.
We gon' what? We gon' zoom in. Let me wave the camera. Cause we gon' zoom in. Let me wave the camera. Cause we gon' wait a minute, guys. Sorry, cause the camera like this. I gotta wipe it off. So it's probably gonna be for a little bit more. Make sure the camera's so clean. What's my grandma, y'all?
Well, what I say? You a boy. You a boy.
Who is there? And I'm Laura.
Mine. What I do? Hit me up on Facebook right now. I go out there and get my phone.
Who that?
She got changed.
Right then,
She got-
I got $1. I got $11. See you guys. $10. Let me see my $10. Let me see my $10.
I'm about to post this.